Hey everyone, Nick Drinks here. I need to apologize to you. I cannot think of anything to talk about. A spirit, something in pop culture. I am just flummoxed.
Hey, Nick!
Yes, voice from this guy?
The McRib is back!
The McRib is back! Oh. A McRib. Let's see, can we make a cocktail with the McRib? I think we can. I'm gonna admit, I don't think I've ever had one of these. Look at how lovely, they send it on a little plate. Isn't that really nice? All right, so things that I would be looking at if I were making a cocktail with a McRib. Well, probably the most dominant flavor on here is the barbecue sauce. So I would be looking at, can we play on the flavors in the barbecue sauce? Yes, I think we can. So, one thing I made, as opposed to doing a regular simple syrup, I did a brown simple syrup. Brown sugar is typically one of the main ingredients in barbecue sauce. I also infused a dry Indian chili in here just for a little bit of heat. It's not a ton, but it's gonna add a little bit of the hot and bring in some of that chili flavor that you get in barbecue sauce. Next, I went a little wild and got some Kummel. Kummel is a combination of caraway, cumin, and fennel. Cumin tends to be a big ingredient also in a lot of barbecue sauces, so I thought he would be a good way to go. You can see that this is a big bottle and I've used like a centimeter of it. This stuff is incredibly potent, so be very careful with it. Last, I'm gonna bring in some rye. Rye, as opposed to bourbon, is a little more spicy, so we're gonna pick up some of those spicy notes. And then finally, we're basically going to make a whiskey sour with some lemon juice. So let's build this guy. We are going to do ½ ounce of the simple syrup. We're going to do 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Always fresh squeezed. If you try the bottle, it actually has a bottled flavor, so do your best. Then we are going to do just 1/4 ounce of the Kummel. And this is a liqueur, so you are going to get some sweetness from this. 2 ounces of rye. I'm using the minor case. You can actually check the link up here. We interviewed Stephen Beam, the founder of this company. Oh, this smells so good. This actually smells like barbecue sauce. I'm not terrible at this. All right, we're gonna ice. Shake it up. All right, now I'm gonna do this in a coupe glass. Nick Britsky branded coupe glasses. At one point you could buy them on my website. I think the link might be broken now. Look at that wash line. Anyone who's not familiar with the wash line, that is how far the cocktail comes up on the glass, and that's about exactly what you're looking for. So kudos. So let's try this guy. Oh, it's really good. It's really good. It's really balanced. The cumin's not too high. There's just a touch of heat, just a really small touch of heat from the chili. We're gonna try it with Nick's first ever bite of a McRib. It's a pork bomb. I mean, that's definitely a porky sandwich. It's not terrible. I actually kind of want more barbecue sauce, but this paired with this really makes for a classy pairing. And there we go. That is the Cumin Whiskey Sour. If you want to find more about Nick Drinks, you can find me at nickdrinks.com, youtube.com/nickdrinks, and at nickdrinks.com, all spelled out on Facebook and Instagram. Till next time, folks. Ba-dap-ba-dap-bah. Cheers.